All right, Einstein students, you guys are good as gold. When we say Duke's up, remember your fists are up. We're going to roll our 9's, and the number we say is a product. It's the answer to our multiplication fact. 9 is one of the factors, one of the numbers we're multiplying together, and the finger that goes up is representing the other factor. So if I have 4 fingers up, I'm multiplying 9 times 4. So it's important that every number you say, you put 1 finger up. So let's get into our 9's. Here we go. Duke's up. Einstein students, good as gold. Let me hear your 9's roll. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Reverse 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. Looking good and feeling great. So this 9's, if you notice the numbers, we get up to here and we reverse. Your wrist turns back and forth because the numbers reverse. 45, 4, 5 flips and it becomes 54, 5, 4. 36 gets flipped to 63. 27 gets flipped to 72. 18 gets flipped and is 81. And 9, which is 09, gets flipped and is 90. All right, we're going to try it one more time. Duke's up. Einstein students, good as gold. Let me hear your 9's roll. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Reverse 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. Looking good and feeling great. We're going to do this one more time. The 9's, I think, are the trickiest to roll. We also have other strategies for the 9's, but let's just roll them. Duke's up. Einstein students, good as gold. Let me hear your 9's roll. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Reverse 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. Looking good and feeling great. All right, you guys, good work. Keep practicing.